Leaks surrounding the Honor Magic 8 Pro have been steadily emerging, and they paint an exciting picture for the brand's next flagship device. Set to be powered by the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, the Magic 8 Pro will likely offer top-tier performance, making it one of the most powerful Android smartphones on the market. Coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and a massive 512 GB of internal storage, this device is expected to handle anything from intense gaming to multitasking with ease. The display is rumored to be a stunning 6.8-inch LTPO OLED panel, supporting a 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and animations, while also optimizing battery life through its adaptive refresh rate technology. On the camera front, the Honor Magic 8 Pro is expected to make a significant leap with a versatile triple rear camera setup. It's rumored to include a 50MP wide-angle lens, a 200MP telephoto lens, and another 50MP ultra-wide lens, enabling the phone to capture a wide range of shots, from sharp, detailed telephoto zooms to expansive landscape photos. The front-facing camera is also impressive, with a rumored 50MP sensor, which would make for exceptional selfies and video calls. With such a high-quality camera setup, the Magic 8 Pro is poised to compete with the best in the smartphone photography space. When it comes to power, leaks suggest that the Magic 8 Pro will be equipped with a 6,500 mAh battery, which is expected to support both 120W wired and 100W wireless fast charging, meaning users can get a significant charge in a very short amount of time. This fast charging capability could reduce downtime and make the phone a solid choice for users who rely on quick power-ups during the day. Additionally, it's anticipated to run on Android 16 with Honor's Magic UI skin, bringing in the latest Android features and optimizations. With all these powerful features, the Magic 8 Pro is shaping up to be a strong contender in the premium smartphone market. However, since these details are still based on leaks and rumors, we'll need to wait for an official announcement to confirm the final specs and release timeline. Still, if these leaks hold true, the Honor Magic 8 Pro could very well set a new benchmark for flagship Android phones in 2025.